Hi Dad, happy birthday to you. We're all very happy na naging successful ang journey sa Singapore, and you're back, you look good. You look
Nitong Biyernes ng gabi February 6, ipinagdiwang ng movie icon na si Eddie Gutierrez ang kanyang ika-84 na taong kaarawan. Isang espesyal na celebration ang inihanda ng kanyang pamilya para sa kaarawan ng veteranong aktor. Kompleto ang mga anak ni Tito Eddie na isa-isang nagbigay ng mensahe at pasasalamat. Spotted din ang ilang celebrity gaya nila Jericho Rosales na kasama ni Janine Gutierrez. Barbie Imperial na kadate ni Richard Gutierrez, nanduroon din ang malalapit na kaibigan ng pamilya gaya nila Vina Morales, Pops Fernandez, Sunshine Cruz, Bubbles Paraiso at marami pang iba.
Ano ba Rama event?
Number 8. Kayo, sino tayo? Ano gusto mo? Ay, yan na lang, tas tutok lang.
Birthday was today, and more birthdays, and more contests to come.
You are well now again, and we wish sa 84, no? So we'll be seeing each other again in 95, 84. But that again, we love you so much, and sana magtuloy-tuloy ang paggaling mo. We are always here behind you, always praying for you. Again, we love you so much.
Thank you so much, Don. Good health lagi. At magte-taping pa tayo dun sa bagong show niya doon, Richard. Diba?
back to work na ba?
Magte-taping pa tayo ron pag ano. Kaya we love you, Dad. We love you. Thank you. Pero doon sa gagawin natin, hindi na ako naka-wheelchair.
Hindi na. May mga walking na ron, may mga ano natin.
Yung pagbaksak ko kanina, acting lang yun.
Okay, ate.
Dad, happy birthday. We're always together in Singapore, and I know that everything that we went through, I know that you're always there for us, and I know that you're very positive about everything. So I know that you're going to be with us for 20 more years, Dad. More Elvis songs and more later games to come. We love you.
Thank you so much. My only daughter, my one and only daughter, Rufa.
Hi Dad, happy birthday to you. We're all very happy na naging successful ang journey sa Singapore, and you're back, you look good, you look healthy, and sana tuloy-tuloy ang pag-heal ng katawan mo, and we're all praying for you. You also give us strength. Pinapakita mo sa amin na lumalaban ka, kaya mo lahat ng nangyayari, and you're always smiling, you're always positive, and no matter what happens, nakukuha namin yung energy niyan from you. And it also keeps us going with you. So thank you, Dad, for everything. We love you, we're here for you no matter what, and alam ko kakayanan natin lahat ng pagsubok.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Richard, thank you so much.
Elvis.
Happy birthday, Dad. Yun nga sabi nila, lahat tayo masaya dahil successful yung recovery mo and mas marami pa tayong Laker games na makapanood sa umaga every day. So, masaya kami at you're still alive and kicking.
Thank you, Elvis.
Happy birthday, Dad. I'm happy that you're strong again. Every day, swimming, gym, therapy, eating fruits, and I'm always praying to you, Dad. Every day, sana tuloy-tuloy na yung ano mo, healing. In God's hands, He will keep you alive. I love you, Dad.
Thank you, Rocky. Thank you so much.
There you go. Can we have the grandkids join us here as well, guys, for a photo op? All the grandkids, and all the adult grandkids as well. It's gonna be a big family photo.
There you go.
Zion and Kai went home na.
There you go. That,
Jessica.
yeah, all
Anika.
here. Okay, guys, some stand here behind. Yeah. There you go. Can we have a bit of music? And then let's have the
Music.
Closer, guys. Closer. Happy birthday!
Ganito na pala karami ang ginawa ko.
The stage is full. Happy birthday, guys. The night has just begun. Enjoy your evening. The drinks are
Thank you.
Just really something